So this is Lume, and it's a whole body deodorant, 72-hour odor control, aluminum free, which is awesome. And it's for pits, privates, and beyond. It's an invisible cream, and this scent is the Clean Tangerine. So it is, like it says, it's a thick cream, and you don't use a whole lot of it, so this is gonna last a long time. I tried this on my son, who's like, you know, preteen stinky age, and it really worked. Like, he came home far less stinky than usual. So definitely check it out. Made with skin safe ingredients. You just need a pea-size amount. And I just rub it, you know, had him rub it into his pits. I even used it on his feet, and it really, really helped. So definitely give it a try. And I want to try their other products too. So yeah, very happy with it.